In the vibrant heart of Miami, where style meets sunshine and architecture reflects both modern trends and timeless elegance, homeowners are discovering the power of a simple upgrade that makes a lasting impression: the front door. The entryway is no longer just a functional element, it's the signature statement of your home. For Miami residents looking to enhance curb appeal, boost security, and increase property value, upgrading their doors is fast becoming a top priority. The power of first impression. When someone walks up to your home, the first thing they notice isn't always your landscaping or roof, it's your front door. A dated, faded, or damaged door can dull the entire look of an otherwise beautiful home. In contrast, a bold new door, whether in a rich wood tone or a splash of vibrant color, can completely transform your home's facade. Miami's dynamic design culture gives homeowners the freedom to be creative, opting for sleek modern doors, ornate Mediterranean-inspired entries, or minimalist glass panel styles that reflect Miami's cosmopolitan vibe. For homeowners looking to make their properties stand out in a competitive real estate market, a striking front door can create instant curb appeal and set the tone for the entire home. Security meets style. While aesthetics are important, Miami residents are equally focused on security, especially with Florida's exposure to extreme weather and occasional high crime pockets. Modern door upgrades come with enhanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, impact-resistant materials, and smart entry systems. These aren't just doors, they're guardians of your peace of mind. Steel and fiberglass doors are especially popular for their durability and storm resistance. Many Miami homeowners are opting for impact-rated doors that comply with local hurricane building codes. These doors can withstand powerful winds and flying debris, giving families peace of mind during storm season, without sacrificing style. Energy efficiency in a tropical climate. Another reason Miami residents are investing in door upgrades is energy efficiency. The tropical climate demands that homes stay cool inside while withstanding the intense outdoor heat and humidity. Older doors often warp, leak, or fail to insulate, leading to higher utility bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Today's energy-efficient doors are built with better insulation and weather stripping. Features like dual-pane glass inserts, Energy Star-rated cores, and thermal breaks can significantly reduce energy transfer, keeping homes cooler and more eco-friendly. For environmentally conscious Miami homeowners, this is a smart and sustainable choice. Customization for every lifestyle. Whether you're living in a Coral Gables estate, a Wynwood loft, or a Miami Beach bungalow, upgraded doors can be tailored to fit your personal taste and lifestyle needs. Customization options include everything from hand-forged hardware to etched glass panels, from solid mahogany to sleek black composite finishes. For families, wider doors or sidelights improve accessibility and create an open, welcoming entryway. For professionals working from home, a stylish yet secure entry adds value and professionalism to your home-based workspace. Increased home value. Perhaps the most convincing reason Miami homeowners are upgrading their doors is the boost in resale value. According to real estate professionals, a new front door offers one of the highest returns on investment in home remodeling. Potential buyers are often swayed by curb appeal and perceived home security, two things a new door delivers instantly. Whether you plan to sell or stay for years to come, a front door upgrade adds long-term value and beauty. In Miami, where the fusion of culture, weather, and design sets a high bar for residential living, upgrading your home's front door is more than a renovation, it's a transformation. From elegant aesthetics to resilient functionality, a new door speaks volumes about the pride you take in your home. If you're ready to make a bold first impression, start at the front. Your Miami dream home deserves nothing less.